I wish that I could rewind, 'cause I done gave jails too many years that I won't get back.
Yo, alright, so I just left my house. I'm on my way to Chris's, which is right down the road. I'm not taking my car because my car has flat tires. My dad won't let me drive it until I get that fixed. But I will be taking that to get it fixed tomorrow, which I'll probably bring you guys along. But yeah, I can't really see anything here. I have my flashlight. Alright, so we're on our way to Chris's. And then we're going to, I think we're meeting up with Welshie, Sergio, and I think John. And other links to their channels will be in the description down below. I don't know if this is too bright. I don't know what this is saying, but yeah. So we're on our way there. It's so warm out. It's like fucking 20 degrees. It's so nice. So we're on our way there. I don't even know if I'm recording me or not. My hand's kind of slipping. So yeah, I'm on my way there. And then I don't know how many times I've said that, but. And then we're going to head out to Ikea. We tried to sneak in a few days ago, but there was security there, so we ran right away. So we didn't really get a good, image. But I didn't have this camera until then. I just got this camera actually, so I'm gonna start the YouTube vlogs. It's gonna be pretty fucking fun. So. Alrighty, so we're on our way to fucking Ikea now. We got it's too fucking dark. Yeah, we got fucking Welshie. We got fucking fag boy. We got fucking midget kid.
Midget Mexican. It ain't midget kid. Midget Mexican. I gotta say.
Alright, there she is. I'm trying to fucking zoom in. This fucking camera sucks dick. Zooming in.
Shouldn't have traded the vape.
Oh, there we go.
Better quality.
Oh shit, there's a
better
fucking
coil.
There's a mountain in the way. Holy shit, look how fucking long it is. Holy fuck.
Bro.
Oh, bro, never mind. This does not suck. Look how far it is. Oh, look, the red light and the green light is right. Holy shit. Okay. If we can see this here. Fucking zoom out. Holy shit, there's the Ikea.
No, it's not the Ikea. It's fucking Walmart.
Man, shut up, Portuguese. Are you? Is anyone else gonna record, or is it just me?
I've got mine set to
I'll record when it's time to get some action.
Yeah, but do you have your introduction? Well, like, what's yours gonna be? Fucking. Hey, wrong lane. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Holy shit, we're driving with a fucking maniac.
No.
That was fucked.
Oh, fuck.
Asshole.
That was so funny. I was dead.
Hey, I'll fucking break that camera.
Alright, so
I find it so funny too.
we're almost there. We parked that pro cycle here. We're getting ready to go. Look how high this curb is, man. That's annoying.
I'm gonna say how high my car is.
Look how high his car is. Fucking low life and shit. Okay, so it's probably about a 10-minute walk from here. Cause we parked way. Look at this dude.
Well, just pooped himself.
Oh my god. But you look so fucking feminine. The lighting doesn't do any justice here. Wait, hold up. No, just stand up straight. Look at this dude. Where the fuck are you guys going? This is sketchy. I want to get in this time, eh?
Oh, I know.
Like, I want to walk in this time. We went a few, I think I already said this before, but we went a few days ago, and it, like, I don't know, there was security in there, so we fucking booked it.
Wait.
But
Here's something. I just fucking pooped.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Holy shit, man. Literally holy shit. Yeah. So
The most they can do.
we're gonna try a different route last time, because last time this fuck, you can't see, but fucking so Hallie Cars Chris over here
Just Hallie Cars Chris.
fucking took us in the wrong direction about fucking half an hour out fucking that way. And so now we're going this way, and I think this is the road where the security shack is, so.
You know what?
Yeah, buddy.
I got 27 minutes of footage left.
Casey Neistat over here. What's up, motherfuckers?
Alright, so the boys.
Alright, so we got the flash on, I guess. There's fucking Welshie. There's fucking so Hallie Cars Chris.
Just Hallie Cars Chris.
And what's your fucking name?
Sergio Outdoors.
Sergio Outdoors.
He doesn't have a video yet. that so that you can't find them.
Look, fucking HRM Sandcastle over here.
You know, we build Ikea.
Yeah, I thought we just heard cars, but yo, I'm fucking sketched out. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah. No, look, the light's over there. Alright, so we just got here, and there's a fucking truck on over there, but we're not sure whether or not we should just. I think we should just try and keep walking, because there's no way he'd see us. Oh yeah, see, there's a truck right over there. Alright, so update. There's a guy right there. He's I don't know what he's doing, but he's filling up the oil tanks and he has a flashlight. So we're going around here. Fuck. I almost just fucking killed myself. Fuck. I keep fucking falling. Yo, what the fuck? That just tripped me right out. There's a fucking horn over there. Man, I just fucking fell and cut my hand open. Holy shit. I feel like he can see us, but the truck's right there. I'll try and zoom in here. That's why I said we probably should hop up there and just climb. So there's the truck right there. So, oh man, I just fucking killed myself on those rocks. Yeah, my fucking hand's like bleeding, I think. I think, man, it feels like I sprained my toe. Yeah, but still, he's outside. And walking past that will be so close.
This is literally a fucking path.
Yeah, it's so much safer this way.
That's why I said we should have hopped up over there and just cut straight across. We probably would be at Ikea.
This is not clickbait, by the way. This is not clickbait.
Yeah,
we are
not,
legit.
like,
if we get caught, we are getting fucked with some fines.
This is so Hollywoodians. This is not Slow White Hatch in here. I quit
Yeah,
YouTube.
so there's Ikea.
There's Ikea right there. There's
Hey guys, let me know if I should quit YouTube. Yeah, see, did you see? Yeah, you guys just saw his flashlight there. Alright, let's go. I feel like he's not working for Ikea though.
No, he's not working for Bird Construction. He's fucking probably from Irving, just filling up the tank. Why the fuck would he?
Alright, so the boys almost just walked down this. If you guys don't realize how fucking steep this is, like, I don't know how to fucking. You really just can't. It just drops right the fuck off.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're going this way.
The boys are going to Ikea. What's up, fella?
Yeah, it says a steep ass drop. Oh, fuck. Hey, Welshie, come here. Welshie, let me fucking record this. Alright, so, guys, so we just found this here. We don't know what it is. I stepped on it, but barely. So I don't know what it is, but I'm like, there are landmines out here because it's like an explosion site, but we don't know what it's for. So we're just gonna head out over here. Ikea is right there, if you guys can see that light there. So we're headed off to there. Alright, so we made it. It's right here. Here's a construction site. And Ikea is right there. You guys can't really see it. It's not lit up. This is fucking sketchy. It's right there. Yeah, I'm fucking so scared, man. Holy shit. There's a security shack right up this way that we're scared to go look at. Last time we were here, there was security in there, and so we're not quite sure if security will be in there tonight, or if I feel like it was a TV or something, maybe, but we're not 100% sure. So we're gonna slowly fucking walk down here. there's the construction site here. Oh shit, there we go. What are you guys doing? Come on. Hey, that orange thing is back. So the first time we were here, that orange thing right there, we thought that was a person. And we were shitting our pants. It was so scary. Oh, fuck. Alright, so right down there. Can't fucking focus this shit. I don't know why it won't focus, but the security shack's right there. What the I'm too zoomed in. So, there's the security, and there's the truck right there, but the security's right there. So, we're gonna slowly go this way. Yeah.
Put the strap on.
No, I don't. Why? In case I need to run? I should probably put a strap on, but I don't have one. I don't think. There's Dartmouth Crossing right there. Yeah, I'm just gonna, wait, hold up. I'm just gonna put, yeah, so I don't have a strap, so if I have to run, we're fucked. I gotta hold on to this for my fucking life. I'm honestly terrified right now, because there could be anybody. Like, look, the fucking security shack's right there, and I don't know if there's people in there or not. I'm so fucking scared. What do you want to do? Fuck. I don't think anyone's in there, man. Shit. They're out there, so I can't breathe. I know you guys can't see anything right now, but I can't. No. No way. Oh fuck! Oh my god. Okay, Chris and Sergio are right there. Scared the shit out of us. I went up there. Sitting at the table right behind the fucking door. So as soon as I looked in, I saw the vest and he looked up. Didn't even hit me in the eyes, right? He didn't look in my eyes, but I saw him. Oh, he saw you though?
Dude, the guy from the shack ran to his car and the brake lights lit up.
We gotta get the fuck out of here. So the guy from the security shack ran to his car.
Just go the street, mate.
There's Dartmouth Crossing, boys.
I was like, oh fuck.
I can't. I can't explain right now, guys, because I'm so out of breath, but
What do I know?
I'm gonna explain it to you guys. I'm gonna show you in the video, but when we looked in the window, so we went a few nights ago and we opened the door, and there was a table there with like security clock-in sheets or whatever, and we didn't see anything. We didn't have time to read it, but we grabbed their walkie-talkie, and I'll show you guys that later. But we took the walkie-talkie off the table, and then we heard talking, so we ran. We didn't know if it was security for sure or maybe a TV, so we went back and checked today. And I'll show you in the video where he was, but he was sitting on the table. As soon as you open the door, you see the fucking table, and I'm not sure how the audio picked up in the video, but you'll hear because it's a metal chair, you'll hear the metal screech along the ground as he went to stand up, and so we just fucking booked it. Well, she saw him, but I didn't, but I heard him get up.
Do you think Welsh got it on the chest cam?
I hope so. I hope he got it on the chest cam. Anyways, well, there's a sinkhole there. Hey, It is security. That car that just drove by over there was security. Yeah, there was security just there. Oh my god. We saw the guy sitting in there, the security, and then we ran. And as we were running, the guy in the security shack ran up to his car, and we're not sure if he turned it on, but we saw brake lights. Oh man, this is gonna be a long fucking walk, man.
Not really.
Yeah, it is.
Not if we cut up through the other spot behind the VHS place.
Yeah, that nigga ran like an African.
Nigga ran like, what's that guy?
Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt.
Guys, I missed all of them.
Holy fuck. Who?
Usain
No, but who ran?
Oh, me.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
As soon as you saw the fucking face
Dude,
and heard
well,
this-
I heard you run, and I was so confused because I didn't... Oh, shit, shit, shit.
Lay down. Stay down.
Alright, well,
Please come see the camera on.
yeah, I did. I just recorded that.
Did you get it? Yeah. My backpack wasn't in the way?
No. Alright, let's get up.
Yes.
Up. Alright, so fuck, we're back to the car after like a fucking 25-minute walk. That was like 25 minutes.
That was literally a half hour. That was more than
That was a
25
fucking,
minutes, boys.
that was a long ass walk. Right?
45.
Yeah, probably like 45-minute walk. That was so fucked.
No, it's
Anyways.
1:30, boys. We started at fucking like 10 after 12, 20 after 12 when we left.
Yeah,
So it's over an hour.
we've been at Ikea for about an hour and a half. And
The escape was kind of...
yeah, we're in the S side. The escape was the longest, like that was fucked. We were hiding in bushes and shit, it was fucking sketchy.
Yeah.
All the way around.
But yeah, alright, yeah, so
It was a journey.
I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I don't know.
First one or
Yeah, first one.
first vid?
Oh yeah. I don't know what my next one's gonna be. Maybe a car edit or something.
Yeah, something
But
crazy.
yeah, alright. I'll see you guys in the next one. So just to kind of recap, because we were super stressed out and the adrenaline was pumping like crazy, like the story was probably all over the place. So basically, Ikea was like here, the security shack's up the road here. There was always someone there, and we heard talking in Ikea a few nights ago, and then when we went last night, basically we saw the truck, and we saw a car parked with a security shack, but we weren't sure if there was anyone in there. And then, so when we went to the door at Ikea, we looked in, back to where the desk was at the first place, and there was someone there. And that's in the video. You'll hear the scratch, or like the creak, I guess, of the chair against the floor, like the concrete floor, of him like getting out. And all we did was just run, like we sprinted. And I don't really know how to explain it, but just by the time like we ran as far as we could, the security shack guy ran to his car, got in his car, and we didn't know if he drove away because we ran, but he ended up like trying to look for us, because we did see a security car later,
And then there was it, and this is like 1 in the morning. They ended up coming up the road, so we hid in the bushes, and you guys saw that in the video too. But that's kind of a recap on what happened, because it was kind of confusing all at once, and it's pretty dark. So yeah, but drop a like button if you guys want us to do something like that again. But we're probably not going back to Ikea for a long time, because that was so scary. But yeah, if you guys want us to do something like that again though, like definitely drop a like, because like that, it is pretty fun, like the adrenaline rush and stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Every time you see me, I'm surrounded by them snipers. You ain't never run off with a hustler in your life, huh? I'm from 1800, I'm a hot boy, but on ice stuff. Ugly corner where we smile with you and we don't like you. Just hopped off the plane, just got out about a day.